Hey there! Today we're going to make a very easy 3D diamond. All you need is a rectangular paper with some texture, some scissors and some glue. First, let's take this rectangular paper and cut it out into a square. Now, let's fold the square sheet into a triangle on the right and also on the left side. Open the paper and fold it into a rectangle again in the center like this. Repeat the process from the other side as well. When you open the paper, you will see lines like a plus and a cross. Now, take one corner and fold it towards the center. Fold all the other three corners like this as well. Now unfold the sheet and let's start folding the next set of folds. Now take the top and the right corner and fold it towards the center like a right angle like this. Repeat the same for the left side as well. Open the sheet, turn it to one side and keep repeating the same folding pattern. Make sure to do this for all the four sides. See these two lines? Push from the center, from above, and fold accordingly. Repeat the same folding process for the bottom lines as well. Once you have this fold, push together and fold them firmly like this. Now let's open the sheet and repeat the same folding on the other two sides as well. Finally, let's open the sheet and press from the top, bottom, left and right corners. Let's slowly push all these four segments together in the center, and that's it. Your origami diamond is now ready. Make sure that all the folds are neat and firm and there are no puffiness in the paper. Now, let's quickly apply some glue and stick all these sides together. Now, wasn't that super easy to make? You can make this 3D diamond in different colors and textures. Enjoy and happy creating!